We all have our own journey and choose our own path, each with a unique story to share. Capture all your adventures and more with KooCam. KooCam is the revolutionary 3D stereo and 360-degree camera to unleash the way you shoot. KooCam is the first camera in the world equipped with a state-of-the-art rotatable 3-lens camera, allowing KooCam to not only record 360-degree 4K videos, but also 3D stereo videos. KooCam comes equipped with shake-free technology, so your picture is always smooth. And its unique switchable structure allows you to effortlessly change modes to easily adapt to whatever the day brings. For every exploration, destination, or experience you share, KooCam will capture all your most memorable moments, even at 120 frames per second for amazing effects. Shoot freely with KooCam. No matter how you position the camera, KooCam will capture it. With 3D stereo lenses and the groundbreaking depth-based technology, you can even refocus and reframe the photos after you've shot them. Our editing app allows you to use incredible technology to not only discover the best shot, but enhance them to the next level. Live stream your 360-degree panoramic or your 180 degrees 3D space anytime, anywhere. Imagine an easy and simple way to record, edit, and share all your 360-degree and 3D moments, all in one place. KooCam uses the most cutting-edge imaging technology. We pack incredible professional features into a small camera, giving you a powerful and revolutionary new way of thinking. Explore the possibilities with KooCam, the next generation of imaging.
A smartphone that fits in the palm of your hand. This is Jelly, the world's smallest 4G smartphone. It's hard to imagine a world without smartphones, but with performance, also the sizes were increasing. And sometimes we just wish to have a smaller phone. So we developed Jelly, bringing you all the convenience and performance of other smartphones packed in a case as small and portable as possible. Jelly fits into any pocket without compromising on features. It is the perfect phone for travel or outdoor sports, or simply great as a backup phone. With the dual SIM card slots, you can easily manage work and personal calls. By taking advantage of the powerful Android Nougat system, you can get the ultimate user experiences on talking, texting, watching videos, tracking sport trails, and using your favorite apps. Jelly has 2 cameras ready to capture any moments, or even taking perfect selfies. The battery is replaceable and fully charged, lasts up to 3 days working time or 7 days standby time. Our goal was to design a great mini-sized smartphone that is smaller and lighter than anything on the market, but also supports 4G network. We focused on so many details for a maximum performance, while also going through many design and testing stages, just to ensure that Jelly is reliable and looks awesome for everyone. In order to get Jelly alive, we need your support. Please join us, and let's make Jelly become real.
With salt shakers, salt mills, and our fingers, we have no actual control over the salt. We've all experienced oversalting our food, and sometimes some bites have more or less salt than others.
You and your family deserve a much better solution to handle salt. A solution that puts you in full control and gives you the perfect pinch of salt for food that tastes great with less sodium.
I agree. That's why we developed Taste Stick. Taste Stick puts you in control. It's the first and only dispenser for the perfect pinch of salt. With every use, Taste Stick dispenses 30 milligrams of salt. That's just 1/160th of a teaspoon that sprays in a perfect pattern, so you end up with a delicious dish. Taste Stick also hygienically stores salt. It has a special mechanism that discharges the salt, but always makes sure that Taste Stick remains closed. That way, even during use, the salt is protected from contamination or caking.
It's time to take action. Get great tasting food with lower sodium intake for you and your family. With Taste Stick, you simply pull the trigger and Taste Stick dispenses the salt evenly across your food. By seasoning this way, your taste receptors receive the perfect amount of salt sensation with every bite. You will be amazed to find out how little salt is actually needed for the perfect taste when using Taste Stick. Taste Stick changes your food for better taste with less sodium. Taste Stick is also easy to refill. The window on the side lets you know when it's time to refill. Simply remove the cartridge and plug in a refilled cartridge, and your Taste Stick is ready to use for the next 2,200 times. Taste Stick is maintenance-free, easy to clean, and operates without batteries. Pre-order your Taste Stick today on Kickstarter.